Hello everyone, welcome back to Skillweb. In this tutorial, I will show you how to improve a scatter plot in Excel. So let's get started. Start by opening the Excel workbook that contains the scatter plot you want to improve. Click on the scatter plot to select it. Then you will see the Chart Tools tab appears in the Excel ribbon. This is where you will find chart formatting options. Under the Chart Tools tab, select Design. This is where you can make adjustments to the chart design. From here, customize these elements to make your scatter plot more informative. You can further enhance the scatter plot by formatting the plot area and grid lines. Customize colors, transparency, and styles to improve clarity. Okay, there you have it. You can now easily fix your bad scatter plot. Hope you found this video helpful. Stay tuned for more helpful tutorials here at Skillweb. This video is sponsored by Xirosoft. Xirosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Xirosoft today. For more details, check the description box.